by the power of Grayskull.
Hi guys, so we have a special delivery. It's Masters of the Universe, He-Man. If you remember He-Man, the 1980s television series, I do because I grew up in the 90s. Yeah, so Mattel is making this action figure, Masters of the Universe, He-Man, and it says it includes a comic as well. And there's He-Man, Faker, Skeletor, I remember Skeletor, Fisto, Evelyn, and Merman, so you can collect all these action figures. And I have someone special to unbox it with me today. Who is here? It's Isa! And what does your shirt say, Isa? Even superheroes need a holiday. Oh, okay.
So, look it.
So
I'm standing on the rock.
he's standing on the rock. So are you the master of the universe, Isa?
No.
No, He-Man is. Okay, so you're a superhero. He-Man's a superhero. Let's open this up, superhero.
Okay. Let's see. Do. Ooh. This is so cool. When was this from?
This was in the early 1980s, if I'm not mistaken. But I grew up I was born in, you know when I was born. I'm not giving my age away on the camera.
1986.
1986, Isa said it. So I think it was somewhere around there, maybe 1983 or 1985 when this TV series started. And yeah, we got it here in South Africa in the 1990s. So when I was a little boy about your age, then I used to watch He-Man, Masters of the Universe.
When you were 7.
And there's a little comic here. Look at the comic, Isa.
Whoa. That's
Okay,
cool.
so you must read that, and let's take out He-Man.
Okay. We'll take out He-Man. This is
He
He-Man.
looks like he's strapped down because he's so powerful. And he's just gonna break through. I see him. He's just breaking through. Ah!
Oh, his head can turn.
He just broke this. He didn't even try. He's so strong.
Ah.
And his legs also. It's just gonna. Oh, he just broke it. He didn't even try. What's this? This is his shield. Don't forget about his shield. And his sword. I forgot what his sword's name was. Sure, this like brings back so many memories.
This
Yeah, it's like so old. I didn't even know that they make this. You know how excited I would have been if I was your age right now, and when He-Man was on when I was a kid and I got this little toy. I think I'm more excited about this toy than Isa is. But Isa is excited. Do you need some help, boy?
Oh!
Oh, his sword is just cutting through. It's so powerful. Let's look at the little comic while Isa takes his time to open it nicely. Classic He-Man. Just check him out there. There's Skeletor. Oh, I used to be so scared of Skeletor.
Why?
Because he has like a skull and look how scared he is. And I used to get so angry. Like He-Man must like
Like destroy him.
yeah, destroy him. That's the word. You have the words. I have the emotion.
Ah.
Oh, so there's an axe, there's a sword, and there's a shield. Okay, let's see how it works.
Must have looked like the suit.
Ooh,
Don't fall. Don't fly. Oh. Like,
Remove and swap parts. Oh, you can remove and swap parts.
can you?
Yeah, that's what they're saying.
What parts?
I don't know.
These.
Yeah, they say these things. I don't know. Okay, so you're gonna show us just how He-Man has all his stuff here. Put this in the back of his. Does it fit there?
Oh.
No, the other way. Yeah, like that.
Is that how it used
Yes,
to be?
that's how it used to be. I even forgot the theme song of He-Man such a long time ago. Okay, so Isa is going to, well, we unboxed it and we saw how cool it is, and I'm so excited. Isa's going to play around with it. We'll show you a few pictures and videos of it, but visit our website www.iloveza.com for more cool unboxings, for more reviews, for everything that we do. This is so cool. And visit us on social media. That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. As well as YouTube at iloveza.com, hashtag iloveza, hashtag after Plaatjes grind. I'm Ziyaad and this is Isa playing with He-Man.
He-Man.
And we love
Today.
And the masters of the universe. Fabulous secret powers were revealed to me the day I held aloft my magic sword and said, "By the power of Grayskull!"